Okay, I was going to do a Tronsmart Bang against the W King D10 outside real quick. It's kind of windy, so we may give it a try. Otherwise, we're going to do it inside. So let's go. Okay, we're going to try this. I've got the microphone inside the garage just a little bit. Try to cut down on some of this wind. You'll hear the trees blowing for sure, and there's some punk kids over there too. Anyway, we've got the W King D10 on the left. That's their newest speaker, 70 watts I believe. And then the Tronsmart Bang, that's their newest speaker, 60 watt. Not sure that's available in America yet. I think you have to import it still. Should be available soon. So anyway, we're going to run these. The W King is in its EQ1, which is more bass oriented. The Tronsmart is in its EQ2, which is a little bit louder than EQ1. So we'll start off at 40% with the W King. Tronsmart. D10. Here comes the wind. Tronsmart. Tronsmart's a little brighter, a little bit louder. D10. D10 on EQ1 is more bass, not quite as loud. Tronsmart. Go up to 80%. Still on the Tronsmart. D10. Tronsmart.
Everything coming right back. Won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there.
D10.
I'm coming right away, my dear. I tried this, tried that, tried everything.
Tronsmart.
Back. Won't you wait for me? I need you to stay right there. I'm coming.
So you can see at 80% and pretty much at 40% also, Tronsmart is a brighter speaker. It's got more clarity, a little more clarity and detail in the upper range. Vocals a little more forward. The W King in the EQ1 mode, which is, granted, it's more bass oriented EQ, definitely has more bass you can hear, but it's quieter and it doesn't have, it's a more warmer sound signature. So we'll get back to it, still at 80% on the Tronsmart.
I'm coming right away, my dear.
D10. Tronsmart. D10. Change tracks, go up to 100%. Still on W King. Tronsmart. D10. Tronsmart. D10. Change tracks, we'll go to that flow song. Still on W King. Tronsmart. D10. Tronsmart. So that's a song with some deeper bass, which both of these speakers will struggle with because they really don't go down low enough, but the W King, you can tell, does a better job with that song. So based on these EQs, I'll do a Tronsmart Bang review coming up very soon. I'll go through all the different EQs. You can only use 2 EQs from the speaker, but there's 8 altogether in the app. There is a deep bass EQ, so we might try it next time. Well, at least go through all of them on the review. Anyway, that's a quick comparison of the two, and they're one of their standard or default EQs. Let me know what you guys think, and remember Mr. Hand, we're pulling for him. If you saw my last video, you understand what I'm talking about. And look for that Tronsmart Bang review coming soon. That's a wrap. Peace out, Mr. Hand. Much love.